Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to view multiple pages on your Microsoft Office Word document on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application, Microsoft Word. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, go within the folder My YouTube channel, search for the document that is called Document. Open that up, minimize Finder for the moment, increase the size of the Word document. Now to view multiple pages, if I was to decrease the size of all the pages, although we can see multiple pages, however, they are very small. We want to see them side by side. Go to the navigation menu, go to View, click on Multiple Pages, and now we can see all 3 pages all at once. Let's now insert a new page, decrease the size, and now we can view all pages at the same time. Remove a page, increase the size of both pages. We can view multiple pages at the same time. So we can now quit Word. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.